What better way to move dirt from one spot to another than with a bulldozer? These powerful machines help workers at a huge number of construction sites around the world complete their jobs. Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo, where today we'll be covering some of the world's best bulldozers. If you enjoy this type of content, make sure to subscribe and like this video for more like it. First up, we have the Case M series. It is the industry's first line of dozers equipped with powerful and efficient selective catalytic reduction technology. The class-leading engine provides unmatched pushing force. Improved controls with configurable settings make it easy to tailor machine performance according to ground conditions or operator preference. All M-Series dozers have a highly efficient hydraulic gearbox that delivers tremendous torque and horsepower for unrivaled pushing power under extreme loads. The cabs have been renovated to ensure maximum sound reduction and comfort for the operator. The Cat D8T is a new generation dozer with a maximum operating capacity of up to 3.8 tons. With its 12.9 cubic yard semi-final blade, it is now possible to move up to 13% more material every pass. The Cat 325 horsepower engine has been installed to deliver tremendous torque and horsepower. Similarly, its grade control system ensures the appropriate degree of precision needed. Air filters have also been added to provide clean air in the cab. Whether it's landfill, forestry, or construction sites, the new TD-15M stands out in all demanding tasks. At its heart beats a Cummins Tier 4 engine, generating 153 kilowatts of power and 949 newton meters of torque. The blade capacity of this dozer is 3.6 to 5.9 cubic meters. From its glassy cab, the operator can see 33% more compared to a typical bulldozer. Additionally, the rear-view camera and blade lighting allow the job site to be covered from every angle. Easy access service and maintenance points prevent further delays. With class-leading drawbar pull and a perfect mix of a 3-speed power-shift gearbox and 2-speed steering drive, you've got all the pulling power you'll need. Next is the John Deere 1050K. It is perfect for all kinds of bulldozing challenges. Its 261 kilowatt engine employs field-proven cooled exhaust gas recirculation and easy-to-maintain high-uptime exhaust filters with a selective catalytic reduction. Thanks to its 43,000 kilogram and 5,600 millimeter wide blade, the 1050K is unstoppable against all challenges. Cab-forward design maximizes visibility to the blade and enhances the operator's grading skills with ergonomic T-bar hydraulic control. A max speed of 11 km an hour gives total flexibility to match ground speed to the load. Up next, we have the Komatsu D71. It is equipped with a 4-cycle, water-cooled 237 horsepower engine and features an operating weight of 22,600 kilograms to 23,100 kilograms. The dozer features 2 operating modes. In P mode, the engine delivers its full power to perform heavy load work. It automatically increases engine speed for maximum power when load increases. In H mode, engine high idle speed increases, which is suitable for power-intensive work. Moreover, its distinctive slant nose design offers ample visibility of the cutting edges, alongside balance and maneuverability. Its improved undercarriage lowers maintenance costs by up to 40%. The Liebherr PR776 is a powerful dozer designed for mining works. It boasts a 768 horsepower engine and an operating capacity of up to 22 cubic meters. Its main frame offers maximum torsional stiffness and optimal absorption of forces. At the same time, the blade has been mounted very close to the main frame to provide maximum force and assure optimum filling of the edge. The dozer is packed with cutting-edge features, such as its hydrostatic drive, which automatically alters the operating speed according to the load conditions. Similarly, its hydraulic systems provide class-leading performance and constant ease of control. No doubt, it's perfect for the mining industry. Whether it's construction, land filling, or mining, the Liugong B series dozer performs well in all. Its heavy-duty undercarriage delivers improved balance and stability. Optimized blade lift and control mechanism provide even greater reliability. An improved fuel capacity means that you will spend less downtime refueling. The Liugong B230 is the largest of the series, measuring 6.8 meters long, 3.5 meters high, and with a ground clearance of 405 millimeters. It boasts a 230 horsepower, 1,050 Newton-meter engine, a 7.8 cubic meter blade, and an operating weight of around 24.5 tons. Shantui is one of the world's leaders in manufacturing bulldozers. The Shantui Bulldozers are known for power, precision, and performance. Each of these comes with a 16 to 18 cubic meter bucket. They offer a high-strength ripper that can be substituted for blasting to crush stones effectively. It includes features like thermal management systems, load sensing control, and locking systems to take bulldozing work to the next level. Moreover, a floating-type traveling technology has also been added to reduce the vibrations and improve traction of the machine.
Hey guys, thanks for watching and we really hope that you enjoyed the video. If you have any thoughts about what you just watched or have ideas for future videos, comment them down below. If you enjoyed what you just saw, feel free to like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell too. Thanks for watching and we hope to catch you next time.